Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you this airdrop about Granary Finance. You need to do it now because it was already announced. We are going to cover, of course, the step-by-step of what you need to do. We are going to cover the protocol, and I will show you proofs that the airdrop is really soon. There's some possibility that we already missed the opportunity to get there, but I think we still have a chance, and I will share that with you. So Granary Finance is the airdrop for today. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Guys, this is a very quick video because this airdrop is hot and it's very easy to do. So I'm going to go directly to the content here. Granary Finance is a place that you can deposit, borrow and lend money like many other platforms. And right now you can connect from many different wallets and blockchains because it's really cross-platform. The first thing to do here, guys, I recommend you to go and follow them on Twitter. This is not exactly for the airdrop, but may help you. And you will get the news when the airdrop is done. Also, follow them on Discord. They answer me a couple of questions that I share with you in this video. So first of all, go there to the links of the Discord and Twitter and follow them and join the Discord. Then we are going to go to the application. But before that, I want to show you why I think we still have a chance here. This airdrop was already announced here on the Granary Finance Twitter. You can see that they posted this the 25th of October with attached airdrop, just dropping in to say that airdrop is coming, Granary Finance. There has been comments on that. When was the snapshot? Well, the thing is that this has been open for participation since already a lot of months ago. But even if they just announced that the airdrop is coming, there are some news on the Discord that we still may apply for the airdrop. And this is our last chance. I think they have been doing snapshots each 2 weeks since, I don't know, May or June even. So if you are already using it, you probably already are in. But if it's your first time hearing about the Granary Finance, like me, we may enter into the airdrop or maybe not. So we are getting our chance here. But I posted some comments here and I saw that someone asked if the snapshot was already in or not. And I think Roddy here, which is an admin moderator, he said that we have one more snapshot and they do it each 2 weeks. So if you do it in the next, I don't know, in this week, I think you are going to be eligible for the airdrop. Next week, I am not so sure yet. I also asked about that, the snapshot, and also asked about what blockchain this project belongs. And like you are going to see, the contract of this project is already in multiple blockchains, so you can use any of them to participate into the airdrop. And another confirmation of the airdrop was this in July, that someone asked about the grain token, and they told that they are doing weekly snapshots of lenders and borrowers for airdrop when we launch the token. So the answer was on July 20. So for sure it's an airdrop. I think we are just in the limit to get it or not. So in any case, this is a risk-reward ratio situation. The risk is you only need to do this video in 10 minutes. And the reward is that you are going to take some of these tokens maybe. We don't know the value of these tokens, but actually in terms of risk and reward ratio, this is a very low risk for maybe a very big reward in comparison. And between you and me, we can try this in multiple wallets right now. And maybe if we apply, you can get a real nice amount of tokens from this. So I recommend you also to use a very big volume. Even if for some days you need to let the deposit of the tokens in the protocol, you can then take it out after the airdrop. So let's go to the step-by-step here. It's very easy. So step 3, go to the application, Granary Finance. We need to deposit any token connected in any network that you want. We need to borrow, and then we are going to withdraw something of what we deposited in step 4. So basically I am going to do that all in one here. It's very easy. Go here, click on connect here, And you can select here any of these blockchains. You have Phantom, Avalanche, Optimism, Ethereum, Harmony, and Metis mainnet, which is another layer 2 solution of Ethereum. In my case, I am using Phantom. I have some Phantom tokens, so I will use Phantom. But any of these blockchains is okay, guys. So you can select any of these one. And I'm using my MetaMask if you didn't saw that. So I will enter with Phantom. I select there and click here on Browse Wallet. Confirm the connection. Now that you are connected, you can see here in this middle column your wallet balance. So these are the tokens that you are able to deposit here. So if you have any other token, you may need to switch there. You can click here on stable coins and see if you have any stable coins on that wallet. You don't see anything here because I don't have anything there. So right now in my Phantom wallet, I only have Phantom tokens. If you want to do it in Phantom like me, you can go to chainlist.org and you look there for Phantom and add it to the MetaMask. But if you don't have any of those blockchains, you can search here for any of the blockchains that you want to use it. Even Metis Andromeda, you found it here and add it to your MetaMask. So once that you are connected and you have funds to deposit here, you can click here in the deposit that you want. And you can see here the APY that you are going to get, but we really don't care about that. So now I will put some amount here. I will just put 150 FTM tokens, click continue and click deposit. You can see that the gas fees on Phantom is 0.008, so it's really cheap. So I will click confirm here. Now wait for the transaction. This takes some minutes. But this is mainnet, so you're using real money, so have that in consideration. And because guys, we may have our last chance to get into this airdrop, I really recommend you to use a big volume, the best amount of volume that you can, because many people have been using maybe this application since June and July, and we are just using it right now. And because the gas fee that you need to pay with these blockchains is really low, maybe you can use more than $100 or $1,000 if you have available there in stable coins. Just put it here, move it into the protocol and take it out from there. So you are not going to risk your asset, but all your transactions are going to be held with the big volume. Now you can see that this is finished. You can click here on dashboard here or go to my dashboard. And now you have here your information or you have the deposit here. So your deposit is already done. Now we are going to go to borrow and you can borrow any of the tokens here. Because I deposit FTM, I'm going to borrow FTM, so I don't have too much risk with my collateralization of the token, but really you can borrow any token that you want. So I will click here on borrow some FTM. The max that I can borrow is 120. I don't want to get risk on this. I will just leave it until I get the airdrop or the airdrop passage. So I will put a very low amount here, only 27 FTM tokens, even less, 20. So click continue. Approve your transaction first. You can see the gas fee is 0.001. One FTM right now is 20 cents. So you can see that this is like fractions of a penny. Click confirm. And while this is pending, you can see here on the Explorer, you can click there and see the transaction. Of course, in my case, it's in the Phantom scan because I am using Phantom, but you can use any blockchain that you want available here. It will be okay for the airdrop. Now that it's approved, you can click on borrow, confirm, and now you can go here and click on dashboard, and you will see that you already have your borrow information, your deposit information. So everything is here. And finally, we are going to take out some part of what we deposit here. We are going to leave the borrow part open. So here you can check the button withdraw. So click there. I have 123 FTM tokens. So I will take out 110 actually. I'm going to take out a lot of parts. Approve, confirm the transaction. And now you can click on the button of withdraw. Again, you can click on the Explorer to see all your transactions. All those transactions are the ones that count for the airdrop. And now this is confirmed. You can go to the dashboard and see that I took part of my position. And if you check your wallet, you can see that I have my FTM tokens again here. So you can see that I am using less than $100 but this is only for the purpose of the video. I actually try to use more than $1,000 to do this, and I move it into different wallets, guys. So that is what I am doing today. Just do this today because we really don't know how much time we have for this airdrop. And maybe you do this right now when you see this video in 3-4 wallets. It takes you like 10-20 minutes to do it because you can see it's really easy. And maybe in 1 week, 2 weeks, we already participate and we are in the airdrop and we receive a lot of tokens from this. And maybe you get a $500, $1,000. We don't know really the value. But this is a great opportunity to apply and quick for an airdrop. From my perspective, you can take out everything here if you want. I will leave it until I know that the airdrop already passed it. But you can see that I only leave here like $10 in total here in the amount of borrow that I take and the balance that I have. So I almost take everything here. So I minimize my risk really low. And that is all, guys. Directly to the point. You can check, of course, in the description and in the pinned comment these steps to get all your different links for the different stuff. And remember, guys, that I have been doing airdrops videos since already all October, so you can go and check all them. Zeta chain, Sui tokens, Optimism, Arbitrum, Pax War. Pax War is almost there. We have only 4 days to get it. So please do that Pax War video if you want. You still can participate on that. And Zksync, starknet and layer 0 are another hot airdrops right now. So check that, participate on that. Remember that you have access to all the different tags here of the different step-by-step videos that I did. So you will be able to do it super quickly with all my videos and tutorials. And also check this video, how to organize your airdrops. In that video you have a link on the description to this spreadsheet. Here is where I put all the videos and I follow all the different airdrops that we as a community are doing. And I explain there how to organize all your airdrops and what you do with a particular airdrop to follow up everything in order so you know how much progress you did on the airdrop appliance or not. So check that video, it's really important to keep your airdrop organized. Guys, that is all for the video. Remember to like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you tomorrow with a new airdrop. Bye.